Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect T3 Arena to Facebook easily. Connecting your game to Facebook helps you save your progress, sync across devices, and even play with friends. First of all, open up the T3 Arena app on your device and from the main lobby, tap on the 3 horizontal menu button at the top right corner. From the pop-up, click on Options. Under Options, click on Account on the left. After you open up this account info section, tap on My Account. On the next page, tap the Bind button right next to Facebook account. Soon after you do that, follow through the on-screen instructions. Write down your Facebook account's credential when prompted, and then you'll need to write down your Facebook account's credentials, and once you do that, you'll be able to connect T3 Arena to Facebook. Once done, you'll see a confirmation message and your game will now be securely linked to Facebook. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.